everyone, welcome to my channel. As you can see, I have nothing on my face today, so that is what I am going to do in this video. I had a couple of people really kindly message me on Instagram saying, just after a couple of stories that I posted recently, saying, oh, your makeup always looks really flawless, which is really kind, obviously. I really appreciate any nice comments like that, and people have suggested doing a makeup video, so I am here today. I've exfoliated my skin, cleansed, toned, moisturised. I'm going to do a quick little makeup tutorial for you, so just everything that I would do on a normal day, nothing out there or crazy. Not that I ever do anything out there or crazy, let's be real here. So I've just got a little bit of Christmas music on in the background. I've brought all my makeup downstairs. I've got a new dining table, so I am doing this up to our new dining table. As you can see, I am in a lovely Christmassy setting in our living room. Elvis and Eric are both having little naps at the moment. Elvis has actually just jumped down from the sofa, so he's awake again. But yeah, I really hope you all enjoy this video. I'm just making sure that the lighting's okay. I think it is. Just gonna start doing the makeup now. Really hope you enjoy this video, and I will try and look in the actual camera and not at myself, because that is my worst thing. Okay, let's go. The first thing that I'm going to start by using is my Beam Dream primer from Revolution. I actually shared a review of this on my blog last night. I do like this primer. It's not my favourite that I've ever used, but it is nice and it gives the skin a nice glow. It's just a bit too colourful for me. You know, when it comes out and it's like pearly, but it's quite coloured. It's like a colourful pearl. Like, I don't know if you can see that. It's quite pinky toned, which isn't what I normally go for, but it doesn't like offend me. It's just not my preference, and it smells, I've got to say, it's definitely the best smelling primer I've ever used. It smells like some kind of pina colada cocktail. Next product that I'm going to use now that my skin is primed is the NARS LAGUNA liquid bronzer. Love this product, so good, swear by it. And I literally take my hands, rub that together and just go in. This is really good. Like, sometimes, especially in the summer months, I won't wear any foundation, but just to give myself a bit more confidence and just so I feel like my skin is still glowing, I've got a nice little tan, obviously, because I do love a bit of a tan. I just wear this with a bit of primer, and then if I've got any areas that I feel like I need to conceal, like I'm looking a bit tired or anything, I'll just do that afterwards. And then literally just a case of putting some mascara or whatever on as well. Next thing I'm going to use is my NARS foundation. Now this is the Sheer Glow, and the shade that I use is Fiji. I used to use the shade Punjab, which is a really nice shade as well, but I just felt it was a bit too dark for my skin. It's quite, well, it is quite a yellow toned foundation, actually, to be fair. I was going to say it looks yellow. It is quite a yellow toned foundation, but it's really nice. I am looking at myself because I'm not using a mirror, I'm just literally using my camera today. I literally like a Simpson right now. I can assure you, this isn't like the end result. Oh my god, that's so funny. I don't know if it's the light. Do I go around looking like Marge Simpson? Do I? Honestly, maybe this is too yellow toned to my skin. I might have to reevaluate this in the new year. Maybe it's with a ring light that's like making it look really yellow. Do a bit on the lips. I always do that because I just find that that really helps sort of like set lipstick later. It just holds it on better. Literally got no lips now. Did anyone used to do that foundation lips? I've got to be honest, I did some really weird stuff with my makeup when I was younger. Like, eyeliner was my absolute obsession. But I've got to say, I never did foundation lips. That just wasn't my bag. But I know a lot of people that did. And it was always like the foundation lips with the really dark lip liner as well. Or just loads of lip gloss. Concealer anyway. I'm using the Max Factor FACEFINITY, and I'm using the lightest shade, so it's 010. I don't know if it's just called Ivory. I always go, I don't use much concealer, and then I put it on and I'm like, I don't know, like an avatar or something with loads on, and I just think, yeah, maybe you do, girl. Maybe you do, honey. To blend, I used to use a beauty blender. Now I don't. I use the setting brush by Real Techniques, so it's not even for concealer, it's for setting, but I actually, well, I used it for both actually. Probably shouldn't use it for the same thing, but I do. I just find that at the moment I'm just preferring how everything goes on using a brush. I'm not gonna lie, I really need to consult my mirror just to make sure that this is, it actually looks alright to be fair. Sometimes I think, you know, oh, this eyebrow's having a life of its own today. I am getting my brows done on Friday. Oh, it's all good. But I am going to go in now with a little bit of brow pencil because that's just alerted me to the fact that this brow, I've just got one really good eyebrow, this one, and then this one just has a life of its own. When I have had my brows tinted and waxed or whatever, I used to get them HDs, but I don't bother with HD anymore. Just tint and wax is enough. I don't like loads of makeup in my brows and stuff, so. But in between appointments, when I'm waiting, I do obviously put a little bit of product in. I'm going to go in with the Revolution Volume and Sculpt Dark Brown Mascara. So good for like in between, like I say, brow appointments, just like holds the brows in place, which is really good. Next product that I'm going to use today is my new bronzer. So I normally use the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and I'm always like, I'll never use anything else. I'm using something else. The NARS Laguna. So I got this in the post the other day. I bought it. It wasn't like a PR gift or anything. But obviously I use the liquid bronzer all the time. It's just so dark. I'm used to sort of swirling my brush round the MAC one a few times, but this you just don't need to. It's really pigmented straight away. Oh, I've got a mirror here as well. I like the shape of the NARS stuff. It's all like square. It's quite nice to hold. It's like a weird comment to make, but it's true. I've got to be honest. NARS is my favourite makeup brand. Through phases with makeup brands. Oh my god, I've got my head there. But NARS, no. NARS is just my best ever. I will always use NARS. My dream would be to like be a proper ambassador for NARS, to be honest. NARS, if you're watching, if anyone from NARS is watching, please get in touch. I'm here. I'm here whenever you want me. I mean, I'm transformed already, I'm glowing. I look like I've just been in the sun for a week, which I've definitely not, obviously. This product is another one from NARS, another cult classic. It's the NARS Orgasm Blush. Amazing product. You don't need much. I really hope the lighting's showing how nice this is. Like I say, you don't need a lot. Some people don't like blusher, but I'm like, how can you not use blusher? Next product is MAC. Anyway, it's Mineralized Skin Finish, Soft and Gentle. I always use this highlighter. But another NARS one that I like is the, it's in a squeezy tube. What's it called? God, I can't think what it's called. What colour was it? I can't think. I'll link it in the description box. It's a really nice liquid one if you prefer like a liquid effect. Also, I've got to say, I am highlighter mad, so if you're sat there thinking, silver, she looks silver, I know I do. I know I do. And the lighting emphasises it. I know. But I'll be real with you, I like the way my makeup looks, so this is just my style. This product is the NYX Professional, why do I always say that? What is it, the NYX? I think it's like the slide on glide on pencil. So I'm just gonna literally go across. This is like so rough, by the way. What we're doing, I don't do this precise at all because, and you'll see in a minute why I don't do it precise, because you really just don't need to do it precisely. I don't wear it like I used to wear it back in the day, because that would be disturbing for most. Some people might be disturbed by my makeup now, but I hope that's not the case. My little brush. Where's my little blendy brush? Oh my God, don't do this to me. Okay, slightly freaking out. Oh, there it is. Got it, I've got it. So this is just the Kiko 01 eye brush. Got this literally years ago, and I'm not joking. I bought it, I think, when I worked in Ibiza. So it was literally, I mean, how many years ago would that be? 2014? Before I even met Mark. So this brush is older than mine and Mark's relationship. It's lasted longer than mine and Mark's relationship. So yeah, I just blend that in and just make it a bit more rough looking. It's actually not great, that is it, let's be real. You know what, we're gonna go with it. You'll see at the end, it actually looks all right at the end. Okay, and just for the record, I'm wearing a beautiful cardigan today. I'm loving cardigans at the moment, and I saw, I think it was Josie London was saying how much she loves cardigans, and I was like, oh my God, I love cardigans. It's like in Mean Girls, Katie Heron wore army pants and flip-flops, so I bought army pants and flip-flops. She's my favourite YouTuber at the minute. I'm obsessed. And like the gift guides and stuff, her and her boyfriend, well, fiance, have been doing are so good. I've been watching those, I've been really inspired. But yeah, her sense of style is so classy and sophisticated. I am just completely obsessed. I'm completely messing up here. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder, and it's in shade 2 medium. And I'm just setting everywhere with that. And it's the same brush as before, the setting brush from Real Techniques. I'm going to use is my mascara, which is the Max Factor Volume Infusion Mascara. So I'm just gonna go in fact, I'm gonna use one of my mirrors. I'm gonna use my NARS one from the Laguna bronzer, because it's the cleanest mirror I've got. I've got one really clunky bit of mascara there. Where am I up to, Elvis? Where am I up to? So the next product I'm going to use is my MAC WHIRL liner. MAC WHIRL lip pencil. It's my favourite lip liner ever. So lip liner is done. As you can see, looks really coming together now. In fact, I'm on to my last two products. So next I'm using my amazing MAC Angel lipstick, and look how much is left. That's it. That's what's left. Nothing is left, basically. I like to get these right down to the end. This may be the last day I get away with using this, to be fair. And it'll be going back to MAC, which is their recycling scheme. So you're taking 6 MAC products, for those who don't know, empties, and you will get a lipstick for free. You can choose a lipstick. It's only on the normal lipstick, so you don't get things like Viva Glamour included, special editions, so like, I'm trying to think of people who've done them before. I think Nicki Minaj has done a range, Ariana Grande. You don't get them on things like that. But my favourite is MAC Angel, so I always just take in 6 products and I get a new MAC Angel, which I love. Last product that I'm going to use for my everyday makeup look is the L'Oreal Shake and Glow Setting Mist. See my nails proper there. So I'm just going to go in with that now, give it a good shake. And we're done. That's it, that's the look, guys. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm going to put all the products that I used for my look in the description box below. Yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and please do ask for suggestions as well on what you'd like to see next. Bye.